Welcome to the E&O show.
Oh wait.
I will eat it. I will eat that.
Owen, what's your show about?
Cars.
What about them?
They're trying to get not killed
I will
from
eat that.
screw.
Is something coming to get them?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do about it?
They're trying to get treasure, but the doctor is trying. That guy, he's trying to get the treasure also. And we can't let them.
What guy? What guy?
That guy.
Show me the guy.
The screw.
Is he scary?
No, he's pretty. The guy's just scary.
Eden,
Okay,
you be
okay.
evil, Mr. Screwdriver.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Okay, sorry.
But this is evil screwdriver. Doctor Screwdriver. Not evil Doctor Screw. It's a doctor screwdriver. Now, let's go. Gotta hurry before the doctor wakes up.
Yeah.
Because we gotta get the treasure fast. He can take it. Wait, run into it.